Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Good morning, good morning. I hope everybody's having a great and wonderful day. Just wanted to come to you real quick, guys, with copy-paste ads. Want to show you it's only 3 steps now. They've minimized it. It's so simple to get this thing set up. It's just super easy to set everything up. Okay, you don't have to worry about being a techie. Don't worry about any of that. I'm going to show you real quick. But in any case, you landed here because you're looking for a way to make some money from home. That's how you ended up on my page. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Okay, go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, my page is an affiliate marketing page. Okay, in which I show you different home-based business opportunities and ways you can make money online. Okay, simple. Okay, simple systems, different home-based business opportunities that pays instantly. Okay, and this is one. Copy-paste ads. All you're going to do is copy and paste ads, and people will come to the video. They'll watch the video. Either they're in or they're out. You don't have to worry about selling or any of that. Okay, this is a simple system. It's only $149 one time. There's no monthly fees, and you make $100 over and over and over every time someone purchases this system. Okay, we also have a Facebook group that's very active that you'll be a part of as well. Okay, so it's a community that we have here, and we give you the ads, guys. Not to mention, when you join me, I'm going to give you some additional ads, 100 additional ads that you can use in some other places that I've located since I've been doing this to place your ads. The company gives you 100 places, but I'm going to give you some more. Okay, so let me show you real quick. That's 3 simple steps. Hang on. Right here, when you log in your back office, okay, you log in your back office right here. We've condensed it down. I think it was 6 steps before, but it's 3. How to get set up. When you log in, you click Get Started. All they want you to do is set up your payment method. How do you want to receive your payments? Either it's PayPal, Stripe, or Cash App. Okay, and then right here, when you click here, it takes you to the pre-written ad section automatically. Okay, then when you click here, it's going to take you straight to where you place your ads. That's it. And be consistent with step 2 and step 3. That's it. You're all set up. And then all you need to do is start promoting your link. And let me show you where that is. This is the back office. Okay. All your capture pages. All you got to do is copy your link and put it out there. So let's go over here. Right here. Okay. Your capture page link is right here. Now if you want to change your pages, you can do that too. All you do is go back here and make your page which page you want as your primary. Okay, and you can market different pages at different times. Doesn't matter. You know, I market all these pages. Okay, because you have to see what works. Testing is what this is all about. And the more exposure you get, the more sales you make. Now, they've created a special page for each one of us. Let me show you mine right here. Okay, this is my page, and I post this ad out there. This is the verbiage that I can use, and I'm no 9 to 5. If you text no 9 to 5 to this number, you're going to get my website automatically. Okay, so we all have that. If you go in your back office, you'll see yours right there. Okay, guys, just that simple and easy. Okay, post ads. You can use your page like this. Okay, and it will automatically be sent your link, your capture page. Now I still have some ads out there with my 800 link number. So what's been happening is I'm still getting a lot of responses from that. So I've been texting. I had my 800 link out there, so people are leaving messages, and all I'm doing is turning around and texting them, because 800 link automatically gives you the phone number. So I just automatically text them my link. Okay, so I've been getting quite a bit of responses from that because I had ads already out there before this came about. Okay, but it's just that simple. Even if you do it the other way with the 800 number text link, you just text them your information. But this makes it simple. Just post all your ads and switch up your numbers. because they've added more of these numbers in the back office, and just send out and post ads and put your code right here. Okay, and then people will just text that, and once they do that, they'll go to your capture page automatically. Okay, so they have to decide at that point if they're going to put in their information, but they do put in their information. Okay, so 3 steps, guys, in your end. So invest $149. The potential for you to make $100 a day turns into $3,000 a month. I'm not making an income claim. I'm just telling you the potential of a $149 investment that can turn into thousands of dollars. Okay, a simple home-based business. Okay, and then for those of you that's in this with me and that have SMS phone leads, I'm using that as well. So remember, guys, you can use your SMS phone leads to send a simple text every day to your capture page and do this as well. Okay, but that's all I've got for you guys today. Just want to come to you with the 3 steps system to get set up with copy paste ads. So don't forget, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and click the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Till the next time, guys, I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget, I've got a great bonus for you. Okay, so don't forget, give me a call. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.